Hi everyone, my name is Zoe, I work at the Solar Centre, and today we are going to be unboxing and telling you everything you need to know about the Lumify Solar USB Vintage Bulb Lights, set of 10 and set of 20. Let's get going. Both boxes come with stakes for the solar panel, screws to install, and a USB cable. This means that on those shady winter days, if you feel like your lights need more charge, you can always top them up with mains electrics. Then we have the bulbs. Now on both sets, the bulbs are spaced 80 centimeters apart and there's 4 micro LEDs in each bulb. Now on the Lumify set of 20, there's 14.4 meters of string with an additional 1.9 meters of string between the solar panel and the first bulb. And on the Lumify set of 10, there's 7.2 meters of string with an additional 1.9 meters of string between the solar panel and the first bulb. This is the solar panel that comes with the light. The solar panel itself is made of a high-grade frost-resistant polycrystalline, and both parts of this charging system are detachable from the lights themselves. We do this so you don't have to take down the festoon lights to charge by USB. Rather, you unplug the battery pack and the solar panel, take them inside to charge, and then reattach them once they're charged. This is the battery pack. It has a weatherproof cap, and inside it has a battery. The battery that you'll need for this light is a rechargeable 18650 battery. Then there's the USB charging port, a switch that turns from off to power saving mode to standard mode, and your mode button. So this mode button gives the lights 8 different lighting modes. This tube design gives the lights unrivaled waterproofing. And there's also a small hole at the base of the bulb to allow water and condensation to escape from it. These lights are also fully automatic as the solar panel has a dusk sensor. It means during the daytime the lights will stay off and charge up as much energy as possible, and then in the evening, once they're needed, the lights will turn on. Fully charged, these lights can give you up to 12 nights of illumination. They are designed to work from solar alone but can always be charged up with the USB cable too. And of course they have a winter power saving mode for those reduced sunlight hours. Lumify is our more premium solar lighting range, and this is because of the innovative design of the solar panel, the battery pack, and the lights themselves. If you have any questions regarding this product or any product at all, just comment them down below and we will get back to you with the answer. I hope you enjoyed this video and we will see you on the next one.